going to what's that called ที่นี่ชื่ออะไรนะ Bang Krachao. We're going to Bang Krachao.
Hello everyone, my name is Mr. T and today we are going to Khung Bang Krachao. Sorry for the incomplete name earlier. The actual name is Khung Bang Krachao. This is the name of the place and I don't think there's a translation for it, so we'll just leave it at that. It is a small island in the middle of Chao Phraya River.
So if you want to come here, you can come from that way. If you want to walk, it's like half an hour. So basically you can come by BTS. So you can get off at Bang Na station, walk here. That will be, if you're fast, 20 minutes. If you're normal, like average person, should take about 30 minutes, I guess. And I'd recommend you either take a taxi, should be too expensive. I figure around 40 baht probably. Or you can take a motorcycle if you like that. It's more fun and it's faster.
As you can see, I'm always traveling with my kids. So if you have small children like myself, you wouldn't have any problem going to places that I visit. As Khung Bang Krachao is an island in the middle of the river, we will have to cross the river by boat. If you have motorcycle, you can also cross the river using this method and ride around the island. For today, we will be renting a bicycle to ride around the island. It will be more fun for the kids and will be a good exercise for us.
Okay, we're heading into ตลาดบางน้ำผึ้ง Bang Krachao. Okay.
There are two types of boat that we can get on, one with a wooden floor and one with a steel floor. The one with the wooden floor will not allow motorcycle to board. So if you prefer not to go together with the motorcycle, you can choose the boat with the wooden floor, just like what we did. There are two piers that you can get off from. Depending on the type of boat you board, it doesn't make much difference though, as the island is quite small. Once you get off the boat, you will go through the gate where you have to pay the fee, which is only 6 baht each and free for the small kids. It's best to check the price again for the latest update, but I doubt it will be more than 10 baht per person, so the choice is up to you.
We have arrived. I'd say the boat ride was 3 minutes at most, 2 maybe. And here's where we pay for the fee, 6 baht. I'll wait for my wife because I don't have any money. So let's wait for her to come and pay for me. If you don't want to rent the bike, which is like right here, you can take this car ride. It's called Song Thao in Thailand. It shouldn't be that expensive. I'd say 10 baht maximum. Or you can take the motorcycle. That's another route you can take. This is the bicycle that you can choose. And here's the map.
There will be a bike rental shop right after you get off the pier. Both pier will have a bike rental shop, so you don't have to worry about it. The bike rental is around 50 baht for the whole day, depending on the shop again, so it's best if you check. I would recommend for you to rent it for the whole day, as it will be much cheaper than to rent it by hour, and you can spend a whole day here with so many things to do. This is Talat Bang Namphung. Talat means market and Namphung means honey, so this is the honey market. You might be wondering why you see cars here. There's a small bridge that connects the mainland to this island, but getting here by boat is actually much easier. This market only opens during the weekend from 8 in the morning until late afternoon. This is khao lam or rice in bamboo. This one especially is called khao lam shot. I would say it's more like a dessert, but this all depends on the topping they put on. We'll try some as they're quite tasty.
Total. Okay, so we're buying this. Oh, let's see what it tastes like. I think I'm in the way of everyone. Let's see, my wife try it first. Ah. It's good. I think you'll love it for sure. I have lots of Westerner friends. They all love this. All of them. So we'll just walk around, find something to eat. I think I want to eat that again. Come on, Guinea. Good.
The area for the walkway inside the market is approximately 2 kilometers long, so you better plan your time well if you want to check out the whole place. I find the price of the food and merchandise here to be reasonable, which is one of the things that made this place popular. I would recommend for you to try out a little bit of each of the food here and don't eat too large of a portion of what you like. You can always buy some more on your way back out.
This is called Gang Kua Hoi Khum. Something good you have to try. Okay, this is called Taco. This is called Sai Kok Isan or Isan sausage. Also great, one of my favorites. We'll come back later. I think we'll go eat first. ถ่ายหน่อยนะครับ This is called ถั่วตัด. So it's made from peanut and sugar.
If you are a peanut butter person, I think you will love this. They were made from crushed peanut mixed together with sugar syrup, and as you can see them boiling the sugar in the water here until it caramelizes. That's a tough word to say. For this one, they will mix in the black sesame seed and some other ingredient. After you leave it to cool for a bit, you can shape it and add some more black sesame seeds to it, depending on your recipe.
Look at how serious he is.
Then you roll it into a flat sheet before leaving it to cool completely and cut to smaller pieces. And the final result is, my daughter loves it. And this is mu satay or satay pork. Here we also serve them with toasted bread, which goes well with the peanut sauce. This is the kway teow lơ, which we are also having for lunch. Kway teow is noodle and lơ is boat, so it means noodle from boat. I believe that this small bowl type noodle was sold mainly in floating markets in the old days, hence the name.
นมฝักบัว My kids are eating it. As you can see, he's eating a lot, which means it's good.
After we fill up our fuel, it's time to explore the market some more. This is the ice popsicle maker.
This is one of the good stuff. It's also really difficult to find. She was saying that this coconut is a special breed. It's the one that we use to make coconut milk.
This coconut is called mr.t. Tuntuk. As you can see that the meat of this coconut is very thick and the taste is especially creamy. The silk string is called salim. It goes well together with the mr.t. Tuntuk. We usually eat it with syrup and coconut milk with some ice to make it nice and refreshing in the summer heat.
And so we buy, it's 3 for 100, 1 for 35. So we buy 2 back at home and we'll just eat one here. Yummy. Yummy. This thick coconut I was talking about, I think it's too big. I'll just have to bite it off. Good. And see this red thing? It's also good. There's watercress nut inside.
There are some toy shop for the kids also, and this guy was trying to sell my son the small car.
He closed the sales with my son.
And that's a wrap for this first episode of the Khung Bang Krachao. I think you get the idea of what you can find in this Bang Nampung market. In the next episode, I will be showing you the Ban Thup Hom, where you can make your own aromatic incense and tie-dye shirt. If you enjoy or find this video to be useful, please be sure to press the like or subscribe button so you won't be missing our next trip. If you have questions, feel free to drop those below and I'll be sure to answer your questions the best I can. I'll be seeing you in the next video. Cheers!